Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Trade by Numbers. Hope you had a great trading day. I made some moves out in the market. We're going to talk about that. Stick around. I don't think you're going to want to miss it. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Josiah. I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you want to learn how to use this money printing machine to escape that 9 to 5 that you hate and become financially free, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I don't have anything to sell you, no course. I'm just on here every day showing you what I'm doing so that you can start following along, paper trade with me, get that confidence up to be able to go out there and trade for yourself. So we had a pretty good day in the market overall. We got the S&P closed up by 0.96%, got almost 1% out of that. Dow Jones leading the way today at 1.20%, and the NASDAQ at just 0.39% up for the day. Overall, market had a pretty good day. I said we was going to wait, kind of fill it out. We got a lot of stuff coming up. The Fed's going to be speaking on, let's see here, I think they talk tomorrow, actually. And I'm going to be super curious to see what Jerome Powell has to say. Now, with that being said, I did make some moves today. We really haven't lost on any trades in a while. We've been doing great. I guess you could say I'm feeling a little bulletproof. So I put some plays out there today. See how they pan out. Let's talk about that. Now, Alibaba, I already had some call options on Alibaba at the $82 strike. I picked up a few more today at the $81 strike. Got those for $420 contract. Pretty happy about that. We'll see how that plays out. I bought those for more than a month out, so we got plenty of time to see Alibaba make a move. Now, I did say this morning, if Baba breaks below $77, then I will cut my losses and be out, because at that point we could be falling down to around the $60, even upper $50 mark. I don't want to be holding all the way down there. I will cut my losses and I'll look at a re-entry point if we lose support. So far, that support's been holding. We've been doing very nicely, so I'm going to continue playing off of that support line, and hopefully these calls pan out in the next few days. Now, I also picked up some on Coinbase. To me, Coinbase is way undervalued for where we're at. We got Bitcoin sitting at just over 28,000, 28.1 at the time of this video. We had Coinbase was trading at up to $87 just a few weeks ago, and we were only trading, Bitcoin was only trading at about 24,000. Now here we are at 28,000, and we're still down here at about $75. I believe it's undervalued at the moment. I believe it can run anytime. I'm definitely expecting it. We got a little bit of resistance right there at around 81.50. Definitely would expect to at least hit that. So I'm looking for Coinbase to run, get up above 80. At that point, I'm going to take profit. But I picked up the $75 strike today. Paid $600 a contract for that. Really happy with that. If we have a run up, test even $80, those are going to print and be worth a pretty good premium. I bought those out for the end of next week. And then the other one, and I'll be honest, I normally do more research before I get into a play like this, but I bought some CS. Now, this is Credit Suite. I seen them. They broke down. They were down about 54% on the day at the time. They was trading at about 90 cents. What I did was bought a ton of call options for the $1 strike price. Now, they've been trading well above $1. They broke down today. I'm expecting, if nothing else, to get a dead cat bounce off of them, push them back up over that $1 strike. I picked those up for just $11 a contract, so it's pretty hard to go wrong on that. But I feel pretty secure in that. I picked those up. At $11 a contract. Like I said, they were already trading back up about, well, let's go ahead and just pull up and see where they closed at. I don't have it right in front of me. Let's see here. We closed at about 95 cents, 94.5 cents. They're trading a little above 95 in the after hours. So if we get a pop up in the next few days, and again, I bought these out for a month out. So if they pop up anytime this week, even a dead cat bounce and push us up over that $1 mark, get up there 110, 115, 120. Those contracts are going to be worth a very nice little premium. So I wanted to see how that played out. So that's kind of the moves that I took today. Overall, like I said, I thought the market did well. What I want to see is what the Fed comes out and has to say. Till then, everything I play is going to be, I'm looking to play it quickly because I'm not looking to pick up anything long term at this time because there's too much uncertainty out there in the market. I still believe overall that this market could roll down. And unless the Fed comes out and says something to imply that they're going to start loosening up, then I do believe that there's more pain to come in the market. And I want to be ready to play it to the downside, not just to the long side. However, like I said, with everything going on, there's that chance they could pivot. So I want to pick up some long positions and just play that out. But I'm doing that in the options. I'm picking up those call options. That way, if I need to get out quickly, I'll get out quickly and I'll start playing this market the other way. So stick around. We'll talk about whatever comes up. We'll play this out by ear. As always, like I tell you, you got to be flexible as a trader. You got to be able to not only pivot, but remember the fact that you could be wrong, which is why I always try to play on the side that I could be wrong. So I'm always testing myself, challenging myself to see if I am right. I think that this is going to work out very well for us. So make sure, join me in the morning. We'll talk about the market. We'll get a game plan together. If you're interested in any of the plays I made, go check them out for yourself. And until next time, remember, be blessed. Never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.